Namaste, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Stay safe and stay healthy. Today, we will learn about the cloud computing, which is the part of your computer subject, chapter 5, on page number 67. Cloud is something that is present at a remote location. Cloud can provide services over the network, that is either on the public networks or in private networks, that is WAN or LAN. Cloud is defined as a set of hardwares, networks, storage, interfaces and services combined together to deliver different aspects of computing as a service over a network or internet. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that provides resources and services over the internet. Resources include email messages, schedules, music, photos, videos, games, and many more. While services include accessing software and storing files online. Some of these resources and services are free and some are paid. Reasons for choosing cloud computing are accessibility, cost saving, space saving, and scalability. Advantages of cloud computing. There are many advantages of cloud computing. Some of these are: it allows users to get large storage capacity for storing information. It allows users to access files on the internet from any computer that has internet access. Users can allow others to access their files on the internet. It makes data backup easier and less expensive. It provides up-to-date versions of software as well as upgrades to servers and computers processing power. Service provider. Many organizations like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure have started implementing cloud services like storage, network, hardware, and software. The service can be used on a desktop, but the internet is required when images are to be processed on the desktop. Google Docs is used to create documents online, while Google Drive is used to store your work online. Characteristics of cloud computing. To use an application that runs on the cloud, all that needs to be done is to log in with a username and a password, customize it, and start using it. Number first, on-demand self-service. Users are able to provision cloud computing resources without requiring human interaction, mostly done through a web-based self-service portal. Number second, elasticity. Resources are provisioned and released on demand and automated based on parameters. This will make sure your application will have exactly the capacity it needs at any point of time. Number third, pay per use. You only pay for the resources and workloads which you use. Resource pooling. Service multiple customers from the same physical resources by securely separating the resources on logical level. Types of cloud. There are four types of cloud: private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. Private cloud. Hosting all your computing infrastructure yourself and is not shared, the security and low control level is highest while using a private network. Public cloud. Whole computing infrastructure is located on the premises of a cloud computing company that offers the cloud service. Hybrid cloud, using both private and public clouds. Depending on their purpose, you host your most important applications on your own servers to keep them more secure and secondary applications elsewhere. Last one is community cloud. A community cloud is shared between organizations with a common goal or that fit into a specific community. Services of cloud computing. Cloud computing services are based on a pay-as-you-go model. Number first, infrastructure as a service. The short form of infrastructure as a service is IaaS. IaaS is the most basic category of cloud computing services that allows you rent IT infrastructure from a cloud provider on a pay-as-you-go basis. Number second, software as a service, that is SaaS. Software as a service is a method for delivering software's applications over the internet as per the demand and on a subscription basis. SaaS helps you host and manage the software application and underlying infrastructure and handle any maintenance. Number last is platform as a service. Platform as a service refers to the supply and on-demand environment for developing, testing, delivering, and managing software applications. It is designed to quickly create web or mobile apps without worrying about setting up or managing the underlying infrastructure of servers, storage, network, and databases needed for development. Thank you, students. Read this chapter and try to understand it.